Innovation happens when people come together to share ideas, to explore, and to imagine what's next. In our Southfield, Michigan headquarters, that spirit came to life at our first North America R&D exhibition.
We can actually integrate technologies that have been developed in North America for North America.
We're a huge company, so how do we bring all of that information together and kind of create opportunities for collaboration?
It's important so that we know what other people are doing. This can just increase the knowledge of the company through its internal members, as well as fostering collaboration.
Technologies such as digital key, V2X communication, and visual odometry highlight DENSO's vision for the future of mobility. Connected, efficient, and built for peace of mind.
I really think we practice what we preach.
It's very impressive and mind-opening. I didn't realize all that R&D is going on. I would hope it continues and we do it every year.
It's a culture that we need to create of curiosity, of collaboration, and I think this is a step towards that.